Okay, hi, I'm Dino Elitis, and I help small business owners in any industry to get unstuck from growing their business. I'm also the Facebook host of the Facebook group, the BGS Collaborative, where we're sharing answers to get small business owners unstuck from growing their business. The next thing, you get stagnant growth. And stagnant growth really comes from a lack of focus. If you don't know what's going on or what you should be working on in order to move your business forward, you're just reacting to whatever comes at you on a day-to-day basis. What happens is you spend all your time putting out fires, okay, and reacting to what's happening, in the here and now, as opposed to proactively managing and doing the things that you need to, that less things become fires, okay? You can, and as you systematize things so that you can manage them in this manner, what you can do now is you can delegate those things. So I can give those to a manager or to a supervisor or to somebody else and say, your job is to make sure that this happens. We know that this needs to happen at this level and we'll hit our numbers for the month. This is what it is that we apply to businesses, that give owners that ability and give them that confidence to be able to step away from their business. Business self-sustainability is really all about it. It's having the tools that you need, that that you have the confidence to monitor your business from afar and understand that, thing isn't just going to come out of the blue and just blindside you. When you can get to that point, business self-sustainability comes into view and you can begin to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So that's all I've got today. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope to see you in the collaborative soon.